If you're seeing the Epic Games too many requests message, don't worry, this is usually a temporary login or network-related issue, and in most cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the safest step-by-step method to get past the error, stop the requests from stacking up, and get your Epic Games launcher working again. If this helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, the most important thing is to stop trying to log in repeatedly. Every extra attempt can make the restriction last longer, so the best move is to pause and wait 10 to 30 minutes before trying again. That cooling off period gives Epic servers time to reset the request limit on your account or IP address. While you wait, fully close the Epic Games launcher instead of leaving it open in the background, then restart the launcher fresh after the wait time is over. If the problem is still there, the next thing to do is restart your internet connection. Power off your router, wait about 30 seconds, and turn it back on. If you're on a mobile hotspot or another network, switch connections if you can, because sometimes the issue is tied to the current network or IP. Another very helpful step is to disable any VPN you may be using. Epic Games can sometimes flag VPN traffic as suspicious, which can trigger too many request errors more easily. If your VPN is on, turn it off completely and try logging in again on your normal connection. After that, clear your browser cache if you're signing in through a browser, or clear the Epic Games launcher cache if you're using the desktop app. Cached login data can sometimes get stuck and keep sending the same failed request over and over. On Windows, you can usually do this by fully closing the launcher, opening the launcher data or cache folders, and removing temporary files so Epic can start with a clean session. Once the cache is cleared, reopen the launcher and sign in again slowly, without rushing through the login attempts. If you use a browser, try opening Epic Games in an incognito or private window as well, because that bypasses old cookies and stored session data. At this point, it's also a good idea to make sure you're not running any browser extensions or security tools that could interfere with the login process. Some ad blockers, privacy extensions, or aggressive firewall settings can cause repeated authentication attempts without you realizing it. If needed, temporarily disable them and test the login again. After you've completed these steps, try signing in one more time and wait for the page to fully load before clicking anything else. The key here is patience, because the too many requests message is often triggered by repeated retries rather than a permanent account problem. And once you're back in, try to avoid rapid login attempts in the future so the issue doesn't happen again. If this video helped you fix the Epic Games too many requests message, please like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.